Hey guys! So I thought it'd be fun to spend the day with each other. I thought today we could just probably hang out, maybe get some Starbucks, take some pictures, visit the beach maybe? I don't know. It is a nice day today, so maybe I'll like hit up the beach. I think that'd be a really nice way to like spend the day with each other, honestly. So let me just do my makeup real quick and we'll go. So I did my makeup. I have the fit on. Let me show you real quick. Mine's a mess. Excuse the mess. But yeah, so I got this nice short, basic gray tank top, and I don't know. If I wanted to take some pictures, I thought maybe a hat would be a nice prop. So let's go get Starbucks, because I really want some. Hi! Yay, let's get Starbucks! Good, how are you?
I'm good, thanks. I'm very good.
Okay, so I'm thinking that this next Instagram pic should be like maybe like right here. I'll have like my drink in my hand. I think people have seen it where like they kind of like sit back in their car and they're kind of just like kind of covering their face but they're like still drinking coffee or whatever. Yeah, we're gonna do that. We're gonna attempt to do that. I decided to call my friend. She's here for moral support. I'm using Lens Buddy, so it's like a self-timer thing. You can probably use it. I'm sure you probably heard of it, but if you didn't, use it because it's amazing. I think I got the shot, so I'm gonna go back home and we'll like take a trip to the beach. Let's go. We are back in my room. Let me just bring a sweater and I'll bring sweatpants with me. I'm not gonna lie, I love wearing these sweatpants. They're from Fabletics. It's so cozy. Guys, if you don't have it, you need to get it. My new favorite sweatpants. This is a nice like cozy beach outfit. Okay, we're gonna bring that with me. Okay, so we made it to the beach. It's looking nice. Oh, my bad, sorry. But it is chilly, so I'm going to quickly put on my sweater and sweatpants. Let me just... Okay guys, so we are at the beach. It is cold. Not that cold, but like it's a nice cold. And I knew it would be like this because I did like a photo assignment at the beach before and I like had to take pictures of strangers because of street photography. So I was out here a while just like people watching.